Okay, so the first question, what are the coordinates of the x-intercept in the equation y equals 5x plus 6? There are a bunch of ways to do this. If you have a graphing calculator and it's already solved for y, I'll show you what I would do. We can go up here to y equals. So y equals right here. You can type anything you want in there. So let's type in, this is y equals 5x plus 6. 5, x is this button right here. See it? On the top, x plus 6. And then you could get a, just an actual graph. If you hit graph here, oh, I wonder what the x-intercept is. It looks like it is, what, -1? Okay, none of my answers are -1, so I guess that's not right. So there's a couple functions you could do trace, and you could guess, hit like -1, enter, and it says -1 is -1, 1, so it's not -1. So it looks like it's going to be a decimal. Whenever you have a decimal, the best way to get that decimal is there's a calc feature here, and so you do yellow and then calc, and you can go down and see the button that says 0. So to go back, some of you weren't watching, you can go second calc and do 0. Enter, and it says left bound. A lot of people are confused about this. What this means is, so obviously the answer is like right there, right? Somewhere there. Left bound means choose to the left of where you think the answer is. Okay, so anywhere on the left side is fine. Push enter, and it says right bound. So use your arrows. The answer is about right there, so choose to the right of where you think the answer is. Okay, so the arrows right here means, so you're telling me the answer is between this arrow and this arrow, and you say yeah, so you push enter. And so it says the 0 is -1.2, comma 0. Okay, -1.2, all these are in fraction form. So I would do -1.2, math, fraction, that's -6/5. So it's -6/5, 0. E. Okay, so that's using a graphing calculator. Does that make sense to you guys?
I was just wondering, on that, can you plug in, if we could do it in our heads very quickly, can you plug in the x and y's? So is that question the same as, is the statement true? Like, if I plugged in, like if you plug in a, right, 0 and 1 for x, your x and y, that's not going to be true.
Yeah, it's not asking, because some of these could be solutions, because it's a line, so it has multiple points. They're asking, what is the x-intercept? There's only, on a line, there's only one x-intercept, unless it's horizontal or vertical, or horizontal.
So could we also put that in as y, put it in as our graph, and then just scroll over to the x?
Yeah.
And the x, and just see where that lands?
Yeah, so it crosses at -6/5. Right?
But I mean, we could just move it.
Yeah, if you hit trace,
We can trace it.
I mean, you don't get the exact number, but you could guess it's around -1 point something, right? It's actually -1.2. And there's only one answer that's close to -1.2.
Yeah, that's,
There's actually only one x that's negative.
yeah,
So there's multiple ways to get the answer. The algebraic way, those of you that are doing your Excels, the y-intercept means, or the x-intercept means y is 0. So you'd get 0 equals 5x plus 6, because y is 0. Anytime you have an x-intercept, the y is 0. So you would solve that, -6. Divide by 5. You get -6/5 equals x.